right, guys.
Go, 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 go.
Good morning, young Groms. We are headed out right now. Woke up at Mima's house, and yeah, we're just stoked to be alive. The wind is kind of side shore at most of this town, but we're gonna try to find a corner of the coast where the wind is actually offshore. All right, young Groms, we're pulling up to the spot right now, and yeah, oh, the tide is high. Yeah, I think the wind is supposed to clean up, so I might zoom back home and see what's going on. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like the tide is just a little too high right now. This is the best one I've seen kind of all morning. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait. We're going for a run on the beach. This is beautiful. Like, look at this. We got the whole beach to ourselves. There's my footprints leading back the other way. And yeah, we are back to 2 miles a day. And I'm stoked to be running on the sand because my knees need a little bit of a break for sure. But yeah, there's little waves. We're stoked, and training day. I feel like I'm in this rhythm right now where it's really tough to run and I can't speed up, but I can keep this pace. Like mentally, I just think, keep going, and it's not that bad.
Life brings nothing to us mortals without hard work.
Yeah, I agree.
That's the life. That's life.
Yeah. Mima and I are having breakfast. We are just having some orange juice, bagel. I had meatloaf and broccoli and some donuts and some milk. So it's been a full breakfast.
Mr. Healthy.
Yeah.
Sitting next to a home ec major. And
Well,
sat.
I learned it from her. I got all my health from her.
It's so fun having him here.
It's fun.
Really fun. Of course, I've been telling a few stories, but I think he's heard them before.
Yeah.
But he doesn't seem to care.
All right, maybe this is the little corner wedge. That might be enough. All right, I think we should get out there and do it. The stoke is weirdly high right now. Like, I really want to go surf. I actually grew up surfing this wave. This was like my first spot where I would just like come to every day no matter what. So even though the waves aren't exactly pumping, I'm stoked to be out there, and the stoke is just so high. So let's go enjoy it. Wetsuit is so wet. Should have brought my 4.3. Alright guys, this is one of the legendary ditch planes left. It just keeps going. Like right into the boulders. All right, young Groms, that was pretty fun. Yeah, just practicing. Nothing epic about that session. Just went out there, caught a bunch of waves. Not much else to say. But we have some good news. The board is done at Nature Shapes. We gotta get the 6.5 back. I'm stoked. So we're not gonna have to borrow boards from everybody and be like quiverless. But yeah, we're getting the 6.5 back today. So we gotta say goodbye to Mima, head over there, stop at Aunt Liz's, get Joey's boards back to him. But we're stoked. I mean, what a beautiful day just to be outside, catch a few waves, and we're on to the next house. I am leaving, Mima. I am so sad.
I'm brokenhearted.
It's not
And it's going all the way to...
Yeah.
We had a lot of fun.
We had a lot of fun this
Really.
weekend, yeah.
And he is my doctor.
Yep.
He's going to take care of me when I need it
Yep.
in 10 years.
Yeah, but we had so much fun. Hopefully I'll be back soon, right?
You better
Yeah,
be. You
yeah.
better. And you made your bed like you were professional. I mean, Christina, I've never seen a bed made so nicely. Really?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm from man.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Of course.
All right, I love you, Mima. We'll say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
So, we are leaving. It's always so sad to leave Montauk and Mima. She's just the best. Like, she's just the best human out there. So, I always get a little bit sad, but pulled myself together, and now we are headed to Nature Shapes. Yeah, we're stoked. We're in some traffic, but we should be there in about an hour. Yo.
Oh, what up, man? How are you?
Good. Dude, I'm sore after that drive, man, coming from Montauk.
How long was it?
Dude, literally, like, hilarious. All right, guys, got the board back. Brian helped me de-wax it with this sick de-waxer thing, and I found there's another ding. So, I don't know, my trip's coming up in like 3 days, so kind of gnarly, not sure what to do, but we'll figure it out.
Well, at least we got sun.
Yeah. So just put like a good amount, right?
Yeah.
And then try to like let it start back here. I think it's gonna come out pretty good actually. More or that's good?
It's probably solid. But yeah, keep it moving.
There,
Because it'll start to cure.
yeah. I might need a little more. Oh no. I'm breathing in too many fumes for sure.
And yeah, don't try to make it like fat flush now. You know, just try to like get it so you'll be able to sand it flat after.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty solid.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Suncure City.
All right, go, 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 go. All right, so Brian coached me up how to use suncure, and this actually came out really nice. That's a little weird, but I think it's watertight. That was how I did it. It's a lot worse. This looks a lot better.